Welcome back to Khodiar.Kitchen. Today's culinary adventure is an explosion of flavours. I've put together a magical blend of spices to elevate this perfect cooked chicken to new heights, paired with a fiery infusion of rice and refreshing homemade coleslaw. Let's get cooking! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more delicious content. I love hearing your feedback, so leave a comment below with any thoughts or any recipes you'd like to see in the future. Stay tuned for the next episode where I'll be tackling a vegan dish. Until then, happy cooking!